Here we're going to put some paint on my scraped up rims. He's cleaning it down nice and good with solvent first. This happened at about 12 miles after I got the car. I guess it's a little hard to judge the left side. Now Mike applies the paint, and you'll see how well it matches. I use Ford's CX color. You'll zoom in a little bit, and we'll see. Takes a little bit of doing, takes some time.
Make sure you keep this one, you might need it. Right?
Not laughing. Above is my referral link if you should need 1,000 miles of free charging. Here's the product picture. You can see one end's paint, the other end is protector, which I put on a few days later. Thanks, guys. Important note, anyone using a referral link can earn 1,000 miles of free supercharging with the purchase of a new Tesla car. Do not place your order through Tesla.com. A referral link is not a code that can be added after the fact. All referral orders must be placed through an active referral link, as a referral cannot be added after the order is placed. The referral link will take you to Tesla's site and automatically apply your referral credit